Welcome dear student for session 11. Today let us discuss the concept which is called as the subsystems of MIS. In the previous session we have discussed regarding the type of subsystems that are associated to MIS, which are called as organizational function subsystems. Now let us understand what are the another type of the subsystems which we may call it as a activity subsystem. Now, here the activity subsystems are mainly subsystems which are described in the terms of various activities which are performed by that subsystems. These are the subsystems which are common to all the function subsystems. Here we come across the different types of the activity subsystems. In the diagram, we'll see that each and every functional subsystem have a common activity subsystems where we come across the strategic planning, managerial control, operational control, and transaction processing. To understand the functions, the structure of an information system in terms of subsystems which perform the various activity where it is useful to one or more organized function subsystems. Examples for the activity subsystems we can see in the diagram where we have the transaction processing. The main aim of the transaction processing is to process the orders and the receipts. Where next we have the operational control, which indicates the scheduling of the activities and the performance of the reports. And we have the management control, which the formulation of the budgets and the resource allocations. Strategic planning is involved in the formulation of the objectives and the strategic planning of the organizations. So these activity subsystems are common among each and every function subsystems. That means in the marketing subsystem, each and every activity subsystem have its own task to be done. The functions of each and every activity subsystems is based on the different types of organized functions where these activity subsystems are common among each and every subsystem.